Hi, and thanks for joining me for brick tip number 71. This week, Matt Coleman on our Facebook page had asked me to come up with a solid circle that he could use for a mock he's doing, which needed some studs in the middle to attach something to. And I put my mind to work and came up with this little design, and it seems to be really popular on Reddit and Flickr. So I figured this would be a good opportunity to go ahead and show you how to build this and what parts you're going to need for it. Along with that, I'll show you a couple of the designs that I put together with the same concept. But for now, let's take this apart so you can see what parts you're going to need. I'm going to include a parts list in the description below for all the projects that I'm going to do today. Very quickly, you're going to need 8 1x3 curved slopes, 4 1x2 bricks, 2 1x4 bricks, 2 1x2 plates, 4 1x6 plates, and 8 1x1 bricks with stud on the side. We'll start by making the 2 long sides. So we take our 1x2 plate, put that in. Then we'll take 2 bricks with a stud on the side on either end. Our 1x4 in the middle. And then 2 1x6s. We'll do that the same on the other side. So we both know those now. Now we'll do the top and the bottom. So we'll take our curved slopes again, 1x2 brick, link them together, another 1x2 brick, and then 2 bricks with studs on the side. And you want to have the stud on the side facing towards the curved bricks. We'll do the same on the other side. So those are our 4 components. It's just a matter of locking them in. And there we go. Very simple. So I have to admit that the connection isn't very strong. This thing will just snap apart if you don't have the top and bottom studs locked in. One thing that's really fun to do with this is if you take a half sphere, put that on top, and then a round brick on the bottom, it makes a very good spinner. And that'll go for a very long time. So a couple other projects I was thinking about. My friend Thomas Cooperis mentioned that the 1x2s on the edges work really well. These are actually 1x4s, which are really good for locking in all sides. And I thought this would make a really great little minifig stand as an alternative to the flat one. So I really like that. And also I thought about making maybe a cloud shape or some sort of variation on a Middle Eastern design maybe. So this is something that I came out with and played with. So as I mentioned before, all the parts lists will be listed below in the description, so you can take a look at those. I'm sure there's a bunch of different shapes that you could come up with on your own, and I would really like to see them. So if you want, you could post them to our Facebook page. That would be really great because then everybody gets to see your designs. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you get to use one of these things in one of your own projects. If you've liked this video, please take the time to like and subscribe and share it around to others so that they can enjoy it. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.